I'm Ajay Kumar Ashok, professional cricketer at Dubai Islamic Bank. Since 2007, I am into the professional cricket. It's been more than 13 years. 1 year before I got injured, my shoulder got injured. It's a labral tear, and one of my close friends referred to Manipal Hospital. I met Dr. Ayyappan, and he told me this is a labral tear, and it's a common injury in the sports.
He had a significant injury to the shoulder because of a sudden backward action and a catch. This resulted in injury. Even with the injury, he continued to play over the last 2 years. But over a period of last 6 months, he found it very difficult. The pain was more. He didn't have certain actions, especially overhead actions, like the bowling actions and the throwing actions he was not able to do for the last few months. The films and the images and his clinical assessment showed that he had a significant labral damage. And because of this particular injury, he was not able to throw and didn't have any overhead actions.
And today is 8 weeks now, and usually I achieved a great result under the hospitality and the support from Dr. Ayyappan and the physiotherapist Dr. Sumit.
Right now, if you see him, he can perform compared to normal earlier cricket players. He can perform little bit early also, but I want his training to be proper. That's advanced training and the dynamic sports training, stabilizer exercise.
Because usually after the 12th week only I'll be able to achieve this result. I'm able to shadow with my bat now. I'm able to tap the balls. I'm going to start my strengthening exercise now. It was an amazing experience I experienced in Manipal, because I want to explain, because they give instead of emotion, they looked at the progress, the result. After 3 months, I'm eager to get back to my game.